Festivals in India are an occasion to celebrate and mingle with friends and family members. Christmas was celebrated in India with religious fervour amid the coronavirus pandemic. Let's take a look at celebrations.
It's a festive season. Shops and markets across India are decked up to celebrate Christmas, the birth of Jesus Christ, and New Year. Celebrations in India are marked by glittery street decorations, exchange of gifts, cakes, and Christmas carols. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, the celebration this year were a low-key affair with adherence to all the social distancing norms and to prevent the spread of the virus.
I'm very happy to see all the people like from different communities, from different backgrounds, but still we are celebrating Christmas in very peacefully manner, in very harmony.
In Northeast India, churches were decorated to celebrate the festival, but the entry was restricted inside the churches due to the pandemic. The whole setup of Jesus Christ's birth was created and decorated beautifully with stars, lights, bells and Christmas trees.
I take this opportunity to wish all the viewers a very happy Christmas. And as you all know that Christmas is the commemoration of the birth of Jesus in this world. And he had everything in heaven, but obeying the Father's command, he chose to be born amidst us. And now we call that Jesus is a God who chose to be born amidst us.
People get together and spend quality time with their family members.
The preparation this year, I could say, yes, the mood is on, but it is still less than last year. The crowd what we find in this market is comparatively less as from last year.
In Bangalore city of South India, a 10-day cake exhibition is being organized as part of Christmas celebrations. The event showcased varieties of cakes in various shapes and themes.
It's too beautiful. They fall too much to work. All the cakes. I like here Doraemon cake. And after Corona, we came here. We didn't went to any events. Very happy to tell this. They did a good.
Though the festival of Christmas comes to an end, New Year celebrations are continuing in India and the rest of the world.